where all the students enjoy very much. The admin team and the staff are very friendly and cooperative. It feels like they are friends and college mates.
I personally recommend you to join HSPT for better studies and better enjoyment and good.
Hitesh sir's classes has always encouraged its students to work hard and study well.
I have been given personal attention, and in case of any doubts or queries, the teachers are always one call away to clear them out.
ट्रिप्स के तो अलग ही मजे हैं. I loved being a part of it. I surely recommend you to join these classes. It would be the best part of your journey.
I am so grateful to be a part of such a great academy.
This is Vishwa Garaj. My journey with Hitesh sir's private tuitions has been amazing.
The teachers teaching all the other subjects are very qualified, highly qualified and very experienced. They solve each and every query on the spot on the day of explanation.
They were very kind and helpful to me in these 2 years. The admins, other teachers and Hitesh sir himself were very kind. They helped us and solved our doubts, kept revision lectures, took us out for trips and always helped us in every way that could be possible.
The teachers here teach very well and they explain everything properly and conveniently. Hitesh sir organizes various activities for us students and our enjoyments and is very friendly towards his students.
The management staff is very friendly. They provide a bunch of curricular exams and weekly tests for one's academic growth. I would definitely recommend Hitesh sir private tuitions for anyone who is looking out for tuitions.
The admins and the teachers over there are really understanding and cooperative, and they've always been with us. Whatever it is, they've always solved our doubts in the middle of the night.
The staff members and the teachers both are very friendly and very cooperative. The quantity of teaching includes theoretical as well as connection with the current world scenarios to get a better understanding of the subject.
I wished कि मैं पहले से होता because there are highly qualified teachers and very supporting staff. पता ही नहीं चलता कि पढ़ाई कैसे हो जाती है.
The teachers are so qualified and they are so nice to the student. They treat you as a friend and as a family member, which I feel very great, and every student would definitely like it.
All the teachers are very helpful and caring. They're always available for us even in the middle of the night.
The class atmosphere is also very amazing to study. This class also organizes many other curricular activities like some competitions and field trips, which students enjoy the most. Besides studying, even fun is there on the other hand.
Besides education, they also encourages us for many more curricular activities and also they encourages us for our future life in education.
Everyone here is very friendly and cooperative and they are helpful too.
Hitesh sir private tuition is a perfect blend of fun and games plus education.
Apart from this, the always plans out fun trips and visits to orphanages to motivate us.
इतने enjoyment के साथ पढ़ाते हैं कि अपने आप सब आ जाता है. And extra curricular activities की तो बात ही कुछ और है. Annual day, sports day and all, and trips के तो अलग ही मजे हैं.
I suggest everyone to join these classes because it helps you to not grow in studies but as well as to become a great individual through the extracurricular activities that taking place in the classes. The interactive sessions, the doubt solving, everything is so nice and I feel so grateful to be a part of such a great. So I suggest everyone to join it.
The classroom's activities are really fun and thankful to Hitesh sir's private tuitions for having me and also for my growth in terms of education and also personality. Thank you.